Hi, it's David, and it's time for your posture reset. These exercises are great. They're going to help you realign your posture, relieve pain, improve your mobility, and really help you breathe better. So give them a try, and please leave me a comment and let me know how you feel before and after doing them. This exercise is the sitting knee towel squeezes. What you're going to do is sit in a chair, make sure always proper posture, proper breathing. We want your knees and your feet to be about a fist width apart and your ankles directly below your knees. Look down, check it out, make sure they're straight. This is straight. Excellent. Now you're going to get your towel roll. If you haven't made one yet or you don't know how to make one, it's okay. Watch our video entitled How to Make Your Towel Roll. Pretty snazzy. So you're going to get your towel roll, and depending on your height and your comfort level, you could either hold it this way, vertically, or horizontally this way. This way will give you a little more resistance also, in case the other ones get too easy. And what we're going to do is palms up on your thighs, and we're going to do 3 sets of 20 with squeezes. First set will be fast, second set will be slow, third set will be fast. And by fast, I just mean a speed like this, 1, 2, 3. Not super fast. So again, sitting down, relaxed, rolling your hips forward off the front of the chair to create a little arch in your low back, and then we're going to start to squeeze. Always remember, proper posture we discussed, proper breathing is in through the nose and blow out gently. So here we go, ready? And it might move a little bit. You don't want it back here, and you don't want it out in the front where it's going to fall. You want it right about where the knee joint is. So that's good. Here we go. And just squeeze and breathe. You don't have to time the squeezing with the breathing. You're going to just basically blow out and as many squeezes as you can on a breath. So in and blow. And I'm squeezing when I'm breathing in, and I'm squeezing when I'm blowing out. So we do 20 at that pace. The next 20 you're going to do a little slower. 1, 2, 3, like that. And then the last set will be a little quicker. If you're tired, then do them a little slower. It's okay. Whatever you can do is going to be great. And again, recommended is 3 sets of 20. If you can only do 5, then 3 sets of 5, that's fine. It doesn't matter. You have to start somewhere. Do whatever you can. Have fun with it. Try it. These are really beneficial for you. These are the sitting knee towel squeezes. This exercise is the sitting isolated hip flexor lifts. What you're going to do is sit on your chair and maybe put a pillow behind your back, because I don't want you leaning all the way back like this, and sit nice and straight. You're going to focus on proper posture and proper breathing. So you want to have your feet nice and straight and about maybe the same width between your knees. You're going to have your arms down to your side, and you're going to take one foot, let's start with the left, and you're going to lift your left heel up and keep it up throughout the entire exercise. Then you're going to take this foot and you're going to gently just come up a couple of inches, lifting your foot off the ground. That's going to isolate the hip flexors. Pretty catchy, right? Okay, so you're going to blow. And again, proper posture and the proper breathing is in through the nose, hold and blow out with your lips. So we want to do 15 on one side, 15 on the other. So we're going to continue with these, in and blow. Now, if you lean all the way back, it's going to cheat a little bit and you really won't get into the desired muscle that we're trying to work on. So nice and easy. Neck and shoulders are down and relaxed. Shoulders slightly pinched back. Then once you get to 15, square up your feet again and then switch. So now, my right heel comes off the ground. A lot of times when you do this, you may get a little bit of cramping in the calf, and that's okay. And stop, let it rest, massage it a little bit, walk on it if it really gets a little bit uncomfortable. It will go away. So you're going to raise this one up, and now we're going to take the left, and we're going to go up and down 15 times. And you could either go down and touch the floor, or you could just hover. The hovering gives you a little bit more workout, and that's good. That's what I want to get. And this is really good for your posture. This is good for your breathing. It's good for your overall strength. It's really good for you. Nice and easy, doing the breathing. You may even feel cramping in the hip joint right here. That's okay. As you do these, and as you loosen everything and you get everything stronger, it will go away. Excellent job. These are the sitting isolated hip flexor lifts. This exercise is the sitting abductor presses, or AB as in Apple Bravo ductor presses. Not to be confused with the adductor, ADD. So what we're going to do is you're going to sit in your chair. You're going to relax your neck and shoulders slightly pinched back. Always remember, proper posture, proper breathing. Proper posture is your feet nice and squared, meaning their toes aren't out like this. They're nice and squared. The knees are about the same distance apart as the feet. You're going to roll your hips forward just a little bit, and you're going to take a belt, and it could be a bathrobe belt or a clothing belt, whatever you want. Nothing that's really sharp that's going to dig into your legs, and nothing too thin, because that will do that as well. The other thing, if you can, I know a lot of people have those exercise bands, but I really don't want anything that's that flexible. Not for this exercise anyway. So if you can help it, if you have those and that's all you have, it's okay. But preferably, let's say a bathrobe belt, because it's soft and you can make it any size that you want. So now you're going to sit down with your feet squared, proper posture, we just talked about, proper breathing in through the nose, hold and blow out with your lips gently. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull out on your knees like this. And you're going to feel all the muscles in the sides of your legs waking up. So we're going to do 3 different positions today. First position is your feet squared. So you're going to pull out. 1, 2, 3. Doing your breathing. You're going to try to do about 20 pulls outward. And the fun part is, try to do it and keep the knees working evenly. What will happen is one side is going to overpower the other one initially. So you're going to be pulling like this, or pulling. So you want to try to have them work evenly. And that is a challenge in itself, but it's good. Try it, because we want everything balanced. So the 3 positions are with your feet squared like this. The next position is you widen your feet like this, making sure that your toes are nice and straight. You're sitting up straight, arms down to your side, shoulders down, slightly pinched back, level chin to optimize your breathing. And then you're going to try to do 20 in this position, breathing in and blowing and pulling out on the strap. And you're going to notice as you pull, the legs are going to wobble a little bit. It's okay. Until you get the strength in these muscles, it's going to do that. And you're going to feel it based on the foot position in different areas. You might feel it up the sides of your legs. You might feel it in your glutes and the back, and that's okay. As a matter of fact, you know what? Leave a comment below of where you feel it and whether or not it surprised you. Okay, so those are the wide ones. Now we're going to go back to the close ones. So the feet are really close. They're actually touching each other. And you're going to have your arms down to your side. Again, proper posture, proper breathing, and then pulling out on the strap. Breathing in first, hold, and then blow and start to pull. Taking your time. Don't pull it too hard. You're good. Nice and easy. Excellent. And then after you've done 20 in each position, then you're just going to stop. You're going to take it easy. You're going to just check your breathing. How do you feel? Are you winded? If you're winded, stop. Do your breathing. And check if you have any oxygenation issues. Check your pulse ox. Make sure everything is good. But all I want you to do is try to have fun with this. This is a great exercise that you can do sitting to really help with the slouching. It's going to wake up your muscles. It's going to help you with your balance and your overall strength. These are the sitting abductor presses. This exercise is the sitting assisted hip lift. This is challenging. You're going to wake up muscles and ligaments and tendons that you haven't used in a while. I did an extra long walk / jog at the beach yesterday, so I'm sore. So you're going to see me struggling too, and we can struggle together. It's okay. So first thing you're going to do is square up your feet. Remember proper posture with your feet squared, your knees about the same distance apart, neck and shoulders down and relaxed, shoulders slightly pinched back. I have a pillow behind my back, especially in this exercise, because what's going to happen is, and I'll show you in a second, you're going to want to lean back to ease up on the stretch. If you have to, it's okay. You can do that. But preferably, I'd like to have the pillow back here, keeping it nice and vertical. So what we're going to do is we're going to start and we're going to put one ankle, a little bit above the ankle, over one knee. So you're going to see me struggling and you can struggle with me. Let's struggle together. So you're going to pull this up and you're going to go like this and you're going to keep it right here. We don't want the foot on here because this is really going to strain your ankle. We want a little bit above the ankle. You want to look down. You want to make sure that your feet are straight. One of the common compensations is the foot's going to go like this, or the knee's going to go in like this to take the stretch out of here. You want to make sure that the down leg is nice and vertical. Excellent. So what we're going to do is you're going to have this leg never using your hands. Your body instinctively knows how much that things can stretch. If you try to push it with your hand and stretch, that's going to hurt you. Arms down at your side. Using the hip muscles on the up leg, you're going to press the knee down and you're going to feel a big stretch in the hip. Doing your breathing in through the nose and blowing out and breathing in. Hold and blow. And as you're blowing out, as you're exhaling, you're going to feel the stretch easing up a little bit because the breath will actually help you stretch. We're going to try to hold this for 1 to 2 minutes. If you can only do 30 seconds, it's okay. But in time, you're going to be able to get to the full 2 minutes. You're going to feel all this stretch. And I know it may not feel like it right now, but it will feel good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch legs. So we're going to come down very gently, and then you're going to bring this leg up. This leg is much harder for me today, so you may feel it too. And you're probably going to have one leg that's going to be harder. Arms down to your side, and you can see how much higher up this knee is. And then you're going to gently do your breathing. And in this case, I'm even going to walk my foot just a little bit that way to line it up. And you're going to be breathing in and blowing out, using the hip on this side to push this knee down. Never your hands. And in and blow. And like I said, what's going to happen is you're going to want to lean back to take the pressure off the stretch. If you can help it, don't do it. And in and blow. This exercise is the sitting assisted hip lift. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Also, check out these videos over here.